welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and we are unboxing a mystery bundle, and it's from the shop Coffeebel. So I'm not gonna lie, but I got this mystery bundle back in November, and it's been sitting on my side of the loft for a whole 2 months. I feel so guilty. Belle, the owner of the shop, is probably wondering, when is she gonna unbox her damn bundle? But we're finally getting to it now. Well, actually, before we open it, I do want to talk more about Coffeebel because they are a Y2K shop on Depop. And so as far as these bundles, they are $70 shipped, and they're just gonna pack this priority mailbox with as much as they can. And it's gonna include at least a minimum of 5 items. And Clarabelle's gonna choose pieces depending on your Pinterest or your Depop likes. Lastly, I do wanna say that Clarabelle is also a fellow thrifter, so she sources from her local thrifts, and then also she mentioned that she also gets like clothes passed down from her friends and family. So that's where she gets her inventory from. I mean, as much as I really wanna open this, let's just jump onto her Depop first so we can get an idea of what to expect. Okay, so let me scooch over here. Again, she's Coffeebel on Depop. Clarabelle, is it because you like coffee? And your name ends in Belle? Because if it is, that's really cute. But it looks like she already has her blue check mark, so she is a verified seller on Depop, which is freaking awesome. 5-star rating, and her description reads, cute Y2K heart, absolutely love that. US only, and then so supportive. She says, follow my sister at luisaram, so, and croissant. So I'll leave that down below as well. But immediately what's catching my eye, I'm pretty sure these are Xanady pants. Yes, so dang cute. I actually have these in my closet right now, so already loving this so much. Can't go wrong with a good cargo pant. We have this beige one here. I am trying to collect one in every color. Right now I have beige, I have green, and brown. So I got all the neutrals going on. And then as we scroll down, we are coming across more tops. Let's do this one, because this one's so freaking cute. What are you? It's a vintage 90s black asymmetrical tank with flower detailing. Oh, that is so freaking cute. And it looks like she has this priced at $33, which is pretty average for Depop prices. Did you guys notice that Depop has a new feature where you can actually make an offer on an item? Oof, that is, you know, I don't know, my opinion, it has its pros and its cons. But let's see, what else do we have going on? We also have this really cute Hello Kitty little tank top, adore. And then as we continue going down, it looks like she doesn't just focus in clothing, but she also has accessories. We also have some shoes, which for me is a little dangerous just because I've never had good luck with shoes. But you know what, it might be different for other people. It looks like they have a lot on their shop. So if you're one of those people who really like to scroll on Depop, I've become one of those people now, you'll really love just going through all their inventory. So now that we have a better understanding of their shop, let's finally get to it. So let's finally open this baby up. As far as packaging, if you're familiar with these priority mailboxes, they're pretty damn sturdy and very thick, and the adhesive super strong, so you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. I'll go ahead and give you guys the first peek, and then I'm just kidding, I kind of saw sparkle already, but let's see, what do we have going? I'm seeing a lot of black, which, you know what, I'm not too mad about, because lately black has been, you know, my color. I see one little hint of blue in there, so maybe let's pull that out first. This actually looks very familiar to something I just bought off a Depop. Let me show you, 1 second. Look at how funny this is. So I literally got this off of Depop like a few weeks ago, and this is what just came in my mystery bundle. Look at how similar those two are. Only this one is so freaking cute. I think this one might have more like a fitted silhouette to it, but it is a size medium. We have a little, what is this? Like a little notch neck with some cap sleeves. They are raglan sleeves too, and it's sheer. I don't know what brand it is because it doesn't have that. It just has the size tag on there, but yes. So freaking cute. I see a little bit of sparkle in here, so let's take this out. I already love the texture of it. Is it a little tacky? Yes, it is, but it's cute. So let's see, what are you? Oh, what is this actually? Wait, I'm confused. I needed a minute just to figure out what this is, and it looks like it's just a 1-strap asymmetrical top. So dang cute, and it does have this like little embellished strap here. It's sparkly all over. It also has a little built-in shelf bra, which kind of confused me because it kind of also looks like underwear, so I thought maybe you had to slip it on. But this is cute. I'm excited to style this. Yes, let's see what else we have here. I see BB, a brand I really like. A corset? Does she include a corset? A bustier? Whoa, what the heck? You guys, look at all this glitter. Oh my goodness. So it is a little slip-on bustier, has a smock back, a crap ton of sequins here on the front, and it also has boning throughout, so it is pretty structured, but look at all this stretch. So it is gonna be pretty comfortable. Slip-on strapless tops like this do scare me a little bit just because the boobies are small, but it actually has this like, I don't know what it is, because it's not adhesive, but the strip here kind of just holds onto your body, so there won't be any like slipping, you know, or showing any nips. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Another little black item. What are you? Ooh, a little camisole with, what is this, like diamond studs? That's super cute. You can't ever go wrong with this. And you guys, it's the Brand Fredericks of Hollywood. I absolutely love this, but I really like this, and it's super stretchy too. It looks like it will be pretty see-through, but if you guys know me in this channel, that is not a problem here. And then what are you? What the heck? Ooh, a little raglan tee. What is this? It kind of looks like Care Bears. It says major up and up. What is this? I have no idea what it is, but it's so cute. We have two bears and they're just dressed as Alice in Wonderland characters, and the back says joy to the illusion. That sounds kind of cool. I can't believe there's still more in this box. I do see a pair of pants. I feel like we might be able to make do with these, but these are freaking awesome. You could never go wrong with a little cargo pant, and I think these are definitely a low rise. They're a size large. I think we should be good, but it is just an even wash, a flared leg, and then we have side pockets, more flat pockets here on the back. Okay, I love these. And honestly, they're so easy to style. Usually I just do a baby tee, my demonias, or like my Buffalo Londons. You're good to go. Let's see, what else? We have one more item still. What the heck? Yeah, that is the last item. We also have little cards in here, so I'll read those off camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I absolutely love this color. It's corduroy, this statement belt. I've been looking for a skirt like this on Depop forever. And it's also very micro too, so we might be showing a little bit of butt, but that's all right. That's what tights are gonna be for. Oh my goodness. Absolutely love this. And it looks like it's a dead stock piece. Still brand new with tags. So Clarabelle hand wrote a note, and you guys, I just have to share this because it's so awesome. So she says she's been really busy and she just finished her EDTPA, which I don't know what that means, but she says she's working on becoming a teacher. And someone made a TikTok of her shop and it went viral. So she's had more sales than ever. So Clarabelle, that is so freaking awesome, you guys. If I could find that TikTok, I'll go ahead and post it right here because yay, I'm so happy for your success. She also has this really cute butterfly card with all of her socials, so I'll go ahead and list them all down in the description. Here we have all the items, so you know what time it is now. We gotta try everything on, make sure it's styled, and then I'll come back to you guys with all my thoughts. Here we have this little cute top. I absolutely love it. I like that you can like kind of see your bra through it, so it's kind of like trashy but sexy at the same time. I don't know if I like it with these pants. I thought I wanted to do more of a monochrome look, but I just don't think the blues, they don't mesh well together. Lately, I've been getting into a lot of, not necessarily cap sleeves, but just like sleeveless tops. So this is right up my alley. I'm already gonna be adding this shirt to the like rotation of tops that I absolutely love to wear. Look at this shirt. It is so dang perfect. I've been obsessed with the color black. It has just enough sparkle. We have a little embellished strap. It has an asymmetrical hem. It is everything I love put into one item, and I can't love this more. I kind of wish that my skirt was a little bit more fitted just because we have this little lace-up detail on this side and it's making it look a little weird, but oh my goodness, I am in love with this top. I was a little iffy about it just because off the body and like when it's not hung up, it looks kind of messy, but once it's on, oh yes, totally in love. The nicest way possible is just that it's very interesting and unique. It was really hard to put something together just because there's so much going on here, and I was trying different textures, I was trying to layer up, and I was just like, no Danielle, this is not working. So instead, we're just gonna do something very basic. I just pulled out these plaid pants just because I feel like it draws out the black from the back, but I can't believe I'm gonna say this. I think this is a little bit too much sequin for me. It's just, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the placement. I know it's trying to do that like, oh, illusion, she's got body, but in this case, it's just not working. Here we have that little Alice in Wonderland bear shirt. I think this is so cute. I think one thing I need to work on is just getting outside of my comfort zone of only buying fitted shirts, because this doesn't look that bad. It looks really comfortable. I'll bring you in closer just in case you didn't see the graphic the first time. Oh, there we go, better lighting. Oh no, this lighting's horrible, 1 second. Okay, here we go, this looks a little bit better. Yeah, this is just so freaking cute. I honestly don't really like Alice in Wonderland. Is that Disney? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Disney, and I've said it multiple times on this channel, but I'm just not much of a Disney fan. But you know what, toss in some bears and it makes it hecka cute. So here we have this little camisole, and I think I'm gonna make it my life mission to find as many Fredericks of Hollywood tops as I possibly can, because look at how freaking cute this is. I know it's just a camisole, but they're so versatile. You can use them for styling. It gets hella hot here in Los Angeles, so you can never go wrong with camisoles or like sleeveless tops. Do you guys see this? Look at how perfect these pants are. Oh my goodness, I love them. I feel like cargo pants are usually really tough to find, especially if they're gonna have more of like a mid to low rise like this, because you always have to question, are the thighs gonna fit? Is the butt gonna fit? And these are absolutely perfect. They fit like a freaking glove. They also have like a little bit of stretch to them, so it makes it super comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's like squishing anything. And the fact that it's a dead stock item, oh my goodness, Clarabelle, I'm so thankful. I'm gonna cherish these forever. And here we have the last item that I was most excited but also nervous to try on because it is so short. This corduroy skirt. Yes, you guys, you heard me correctly. They actually have built-in shorts. What the heck? I honestly wish every miniskirt had built-in shorts just because it would make life so much easier. Because you have no idea how many times I lose all my biker shorts or how many times I have to incorporate nylons or tights to any of my fits. But I'll bring you in a little bit closer. I absolutely love this. I'm so grateful because, again, it's another dead stock piece. But even for this dead stock pieces, which a lot of them just tend to be forgotten and sit around in warehouses, it's in really good condition, no flaws, no stains or anything. So absolutely love this skirt. I feel super sexy and cute, but also confident enough to like walk around knowing I can't flash anyone. So let's go ahead and talk about my final thoughts because this mystery bundle was so freaking fun. So on Depop, they claim to be a Y2K shop, and based off all the styles, they definitely are. My favorite for sure has to be the skirt. It's so dang cute, come on. And then I think my second favorite, probably the Fredericks of Hollywood, just because I'm trying to expand my collection for sure. The iffy one, I think we all saw it coming, was bustier for sure. But again, you guys, they do offer mystery bundles and it's a minimum of 5 items for $70 shipped. So I kind of just did some math and I added up these pieces with prices that I think they would go for on Depop, and I got a grand total of $173. So you're definitely getting your money's worth with this bundle, and with these dead stock pieces, come on, these 2 pieces alone would be over $70 shipped. So I'm gonna go ahead and rate this bundle a 10 out of 10. I mean, no surprise. Maybe I'm a little biased because it is Y2K clothing and that's my aesthetic already. But a huge thank you to Clarabelle for putting together this bundle, and just like the curation of Coffeebel is so freaking good. So if you guys are interested in getting a bundle from her, I'm gonna go ahead and leave her Depop and her Instagram down below just so that you can contact her. But as always guys, I do post videos at least once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!